Hi, in this video let me show you how to connect a USB flash drive to your JVC Roku TV to be able to watch movies you have on it, pictures, and also to listen to music. So first of all, you need to have this USB drive formatted in FAT32 or exFAT if you want this TV to recognize it. Then we need to go on the back of the TV. This is where the USB port is located. Usually it's on the top, as you see, right over here, and you're gonna connect it. Once you connect, you may have this screen appearing. Allow access to external media. Press allow, okay? Select allow and press OK. And then you can press launch. Let's say you didn't have this screen appearing for a reason or whatever. Well, in that case, you're going to press the home button on the remote, go where all your apps are located and locate where it says Roku Media Player. Highlight and press OK. This is the app that we need to read that USB drive, movies and other stuff. So here you go. It has recognized my USB drive. And I can select one of these options if I only want to see the videos that are on it, only want to hear the audio, the pictures, or you can select all. This is what I will do. Select your USB drive. And here I can see all the folders that are on my drive and everything else that is not in a folder. Press on anything you want to open. This was just a JPEG, so it opened, but if you have your videos, your movies, well, you can go ahead. Unfortunately, I don't have anything on this USB drive, but by pressing OK on the remote, it will start playing. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you in the next video.